Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of BoB. I'm going to show you some new functionality that we've added for the sales team. So the sales mobile, if you log into the mobile app with a sales user, this user has limited functionality, so it's at a discounted price. It's not the full user price, so contact us for more details on that. The sales user basically have three options. You can check inventory, so check what the current stock on hand is for all the branches in the company. He can also add a new customer if he needs to create a quote for a customer that doesn't exist on the system yet. Or he can go and create a quote. So if he's visiting a customer, the branch is already set to his local branch. He can select the customer. So let's select that customer there. And the invoice number, order number, and all of those is just for reference. Doesn't need to fill that in. Create new order. So the system generates a new invoice number, you can see there. And to add items or lines to the order, what you do is you click on that little search button there. You select the item and you just enter the quantity. So I just want to add one. You'll see the units per case is 100. So that's 100 units if we add one box. Okay, and then over here you can add the sales price. The sales price can also come through from the item master if you do have it linked to your item there. But you can also change it here. So if you have a discounted price for this customer, then you change it there. And the sales rep can there also actually see the cost price of that item. So you can just add the line to the order. And now we've got that. You can save it. You can keep on adding more lines if you want to. And that's it. The order has been added to the sales order. Okay, I'll make show you quickly the following what you'll do in the admin side then as well. So you've got the admin user logging into his system on a computer, goes to sales orders, and you can see there's the latest order that we created for M Creatives. Quantity is 100. Nothing's been picked or packed, and the status is 0. So over here you can now generate a quote. It will create the quote for you with a customer logo and all the info that's linked to that customer. You can add notes here if you want to, and then you can print it or save it as a PDF and then email it to your customer. Then once the customer actually sends it back to you and you receive it and it's approved, then you can just generate the invoice and generate the big slip here. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope to see a lot of you start using this new feature in BoB. Thanks for watching.